Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a children's bedroom on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by changing my wall, window and ceiling colour using a texture from the Textures catalogue. I'm going for a neutral and pastels colour palette for this room. Next I'm adding a bed and bedside table, resizing where necessary. I'm now going to upload my own texture in the Upload Texture section to create a feature wall. Then I'm going to swap to the 2D ceiling plan mode to add a ceiling mounted reading canopy in the corner of my room. I'm going to swap back to the 3D mode to resize and position accordingly. I'm then adding a wardrobe to the space. I'm using the clone tool to duplicate it. I'm using the blue highlight to show me when it is snapped to the wall. I'm then changing the colour to a pastel lilac to be more in keeping with my room design. I have gone through the catalogue and added some toys to my shortlist. I am then going to add these to my room, resizing and rotating them to make them fit the space. I'm now going to add a rug from the catalogue, again rotating and resizing to fit my room design. Next I want to add a book unit to create a reading zone. I'm changing the textures to light wood and pastel to make it work with my colour palette. I'm now adding some accessories to my bedside table. I'm changing the texture of the lamp to a warm white light colour to give a lovely glow in the renders. Finally, I'm adding a chalkboard to my design. I'm using one from the catalogue and then applying the invisible texture to hide the frame. I'm then uploading my own texture to show drawings on the chalkboard. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can change the light and external environment at this point using the panel on the left. Click Get Preview to give a preview of the render in the bottom right. If you're happy, click Take Render. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.